I can usually explain why a plant catches my eye or anyone's eye. There's definitely a formula. But this particular plant throws that out the window. I can't quite pin it down why I find it so visually appealing, but I do. It's just cute as a button. Hello, plant nerds. And this week's featured plant is Canada Frostweed. Crocanthemum canadensis. But before we dive in, a quick note, there can be some confusion with Helianthemum canadensis, long branch frostweed, which sometimes pops up in search results. There are also native lookalikes, Crocanthum biganelli, hoary frostweed, and Crocanthum dumosum, bushy frostweed, that can muddy up the waters if you're trying to make a positive ID. I know these videos are short, and sometimes I just feel like I'm just throwing you guys out into the unknown, and I want to make sure that's okay. Though it only grows like about a foot tall, Canada Frostweed has this surprisingly like tall, slender look, a rusty red, and the elliptical shaped skinny leaves have a soft bluish green undertone. Sometimes the tips will have turned that same rusty red. It's a delicate contrast that somehow makes the whole plant feel balanced. The flowers are small, about 3/4 to an inch and a quarter across. It's about 1 to 3 centimeters, with 5 yellow petals and a striking orange tip stamens. What's especially cool is that the plant produces two types of flower: chasmogamous, which are open and pollinated by insects, and celestog, which stay closed and self-pollinate, which is kind of like a built-in backup system. Pretty clever. Conservation wise, Canada Frostweed is listed as in peril or endangered in New York, Minnesota, and parts of Canada. Other states haven't caught up with the update assessment yet. Just give it time. It's threatened by habitat loss, fragmentation, and the spread of invasive plants. Spotted knotweed seems to be the biggest threat to frostweed. As for human use, the only recorded traditional use I found is from the Cherokee Nation, who brewed the leaves into a tea for treating kidney ailments. Beyond that, there's little document symbolism or mythology behind the plant, but maybe its quiet presence speaks for itself. If you ever encounter Canada Frostweed in the wild, in a restoration setting, or in your plantings, I'd love to hear about it. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Plant native and stay cunty.